So Google has just dropped a new video model called Gemini Omni, and it is blowing up in the UGC AI space. And the reason why is because of how easy it is to make AI video ads. Check out this video that I just made with Google Omni.
I honestly thought my son just found school hard. One week he couldn't focus, the next he came home completely drained. Homework was a battle every single night. I didn't realise his little brain was just running on empty. Then a friend told me about these, Kids Lion's Mane gummies from Novamins. One a day, no fuss, no sugar. And our mornings are so much calmer now. I keep them stocked, 30 in a bottle, 1 month each. Honestly, the easiest win in our routine.
Now, Google's new Omni video is a game changer for e-commerce because you can now create viral video ads that cost less than $1. And the best part about this update with Google Omni is the fact that you can edit the video after it's been made, which means not every video clip that you make is a waste. Because if the AI does get something wrong in the video, you can tell it to re-edit it, which means you're not burning credits. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you step by step how you can start using Google's new Omni video to create viral UGC ads that cost less than $1. Now, what I've done to make your life even easier to get the best results with Google Omni's new video model is I've given you guys the prompts to use for it, and you guys are gonna get access once we hit 100 likes on this video. It'll be in the pinned comment and in the description below. Now, the product that I'm gonna be using is this Kids Lion's Mane gummies, so it's a supplement product. Now, you can do this with any e-commerce product that you want. So the product is basically a packaging of gummies inside of this bottle. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up is because you can see how good the model is at creating a realistic version of this image. So turning this image of a bottle into a video. Now, once you've got your product that you're gonna be using, you're gonna wanna head over to Gemini. Again, you need to be on one of the paid plans. And then once you're on Gemini, you're gonna see here a plus symbol. You're gonna click the plus symbol. You're gonna go to create video. And now you're gonna see this. It says try a template or describe a video in the chat, create with Omni. As long as yours says create with Omni, you've now got access to the new Omni model. Now, at this current time of recording, Google is not giving the API out to any other tool. So you can only use this inside of Google. So once you've got your screen that looks like this, you're gonna change the options to portrait, and then you're gonna see a plus symbol for the image. This is where you're gonna wanna upload the image of your product. So mine's gonna be of the gummies. Then what you're going to wanna do is use this canvas board that I've given you guys once we hit 100 likes, because what you're gonna do when you scroll through the canvas board is, so section number 4 is creating the AI avatar. So we actually need to create an image of our avatar. So you can see here, I've got 2 prompts. Now you can reuse my prompts, but change it to whoever you wanna use in the avatar. Or what I've even done is I've created a master prompt in here where you give it to either Claude or OpenAI, and it will then create all the prompts for you. You just need to tell the prompt that I've given you what product you're selling, who is it for, and it will re-prompt everything for you. So you can see here, I've got avatar image prompt and avatar image prompt number 2. So I need 2 different images. I'm then gonna head over to OpenAI, which has image 2, and image 2 is better than Google's Banana Pro. So you're gonna wanna go here, paste the prompt, go to the plus symbol, click create image, and then change it to 9:16. So you can see here, these are the 2 images that I just got made, image number 1 and image number 2. And then if you go back to the cheat sheet, you're now gonna see here where it says video generation prompts. So you can see I've got all of my prompts here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now all I've gotta do is copy these prompts, go to Google Omni. I'm then going to paste the prompt in here, and then I'm gonna upload the image of my avatar. And now you can see it says I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes to check back to see when your video is ready. So guys, after a couple of minutes, the videos have been generated. So check this out. This is video number 1 that's been generated.
Actually asks for her Novamins gummies. They're strawberry, sugar-free, and have lion's mane, plus vitamin B6 and zinc for focus.
So just like that, the lip syncing for the voiceover is perfect. She's holding the product like it looks natural to her hand size. So the bottle versus hand size looks real. Usually that's one of the biggest giveaways. The aspect ratio of a product versus the avatar would be off. Now, before we get into the next part of today's video, I just wanted to tell you guys something really important. I've been in e-commerce now for over 10 years. Now, since then, I've been able to generate over $50 million in e-commerce and dropshipping revenue. But the reason why I've been able to survive and become so successful was because of what I was able to adopt. And that's extremely important because when the game changes, you constantly need to learn how to adopt. And unfortunately, most people don't. And right now, the game of dropshipping and e-commerce has changed again. AI has completely rewritten how e-commerce and dropshipping works. And that is the exact reason why I've rebuilt my one-on-one mentoring program. This is actually a hands-on mentorship where we work with you one-to-one. We actually show you how to use AI to the highest level. And that's just the beginning of AI. Inside the mentorship, I'm going to be showing you the exact ways I do my product research on autopilot using AI, how to build multiple agents to do it for you, how to build a Shopify store that actually converts and looks like a legitimate brand, how to create ad creatives that go viral and get good click-through rates, hook rates, and CTR. And then most importantly, how to create profitable ads and creatives. And the most important thing of them all is real feedback, because AI gives you the speed, but mentorship, and especially one-to-one mentorship, gives you that direction. I have just reopened applications so you guys can now apply. So click the link in the description to apply for the one-on-one mentorship. I'm gonna be honest guys, this will sell out extremely fast. So make sure you apply as soon as you can if you feel like it's right for you. There'll also be a QR code on the screen. But if you want to learn the best of the best when it comes to AI for e-commerce and dropshipping, this is the best place. So here's one of the B-roll shots. You can hear the gummies in the bottle sounding realistic. The way she screwed it was realistic, but then a random gummy came. And she shouldn't be eating them, the kids should be eating them. But anyway, we can easily cut those sections out. Okay, so once you've made all your clips, guys, we're gonna dump them into CapCut. So I've got all my clips here in CapCut. So what I can do is I can just drag them into the timeline. So you can see here, we've got the 3 main clips in the timeline. So let's play this again.
Okay, getting 5 rolls to anything in the morning. Used to be a full on battle. One day, no fuss, no sugar. And our mornings are so much calmer now, lines name. I keep them stocked.
Okay guys, so I've put in the A-roll and I've kind of sectioned it out to where it would make sense. Now I do need to make a few more clips like A-roll clips, but you can see from just this shot guys that the product stays consistent, the avatar stays consistent, and it looks very realistic. So now all I've got to do is add in the B-roll shots on top to get the best looking ad. So let's add this in here.
No fuss, no sugar.
I'm going to speed this clip up to 2 times. So with the B-roll shots, always put it on 2x the speed.
No fuss, no sugar. And our mornings are so much calmer now. I keep them stocked, 30 in a bottle, 1 month each.
Now we need to add the next B-roll shot in. Okay, so perfect. That ad starts to look better now, guys. So I added 2 new clips to the start of the ad, and it definitely made the ad way, way better. But what I've been able to achieve in 5 minutes, and it's only cost me my subscription at Gemini, which is $20. Now, all I've got to do, guys, is go to where it says captions, auto captions, generate. Captions have now been generated, so now I can click on them. Go to where it says preset. I'm going to select probably the green and black, and then I'm going to go to basic, make it bold, and I'm also going to make the size around about 12. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says audio. I'm going to go to background music. Okay, this audio seems pretty good, so I'm going to drag it into the timeline. Put it here, go to basics and drop the audio. Let's do a fade in at 1 second and a fade out at 1 second as well. Let's have a look.
I honestly thought my son just found school hard. 1 week he couldn't focus, the next he came home completely drained. Homework was a battle every single night. I didn't realise his little brain was just running on empty. Then a friend told me about these, Kids Lion's Mane gummies from Novimins. 1 a day, no fuss, no sugar. And our mornings are so much calmer now. I keep them stocked.
Okay, the volume needs to go up a little bit, so let's drop it to 21.
30 in a bottle, 1 month each. Honestly, the easiest win in our routine.
Okay, that's perfect. So now I can cut the music off at the end. And that's pretty much our Google Omni ad made for our supplement product. Now I'm gonna play the final ad here, guys, for you to watch.
I honestly thought my son just found school hard. 1 week he couldn't focus, the next he came home completely drained. Homework was a battle every single night. I didn't realise his little brain was just running on empty. Then a friend told me about these, Kids Lion's Mane gummies from Novimins. 1 a day, no fuss, no sugar. And our mornings are so much calmer now. I keep them stocked, 30 in a bottle, 1 month each. Honestly, the easiest win in our routine.
As you guys just saw the final ad, remember I made it in approximately 7 minutes. Again, I never had to pay for any credits. I was using my Google subscription. The voiceover was fine bar one clip, and that one clip I didn't even use in the end. And the avatar, I did change the avatar slightly. So the first two clips, she looks slightly different. So what's my overall thoughts on Google Omni versus Sedance 2.0? Based on that ad I was just able to make, it is very, very good. I think based on this, Google Omni is just as good as Sedance 2.0. In my opinion, it's actually better at some things like motion than Sedance 2.0. And it isn't as expensive to use if you've got a Google subscription. But you guys let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of this ad and your experience with Google Omni for your own AI ads. And if you guys want access to the Canvas board that has all the prompts so you can remake an ad just like this one for your product, make sure we hit 100 likes on the video.